McCarran's an important advertising destination because Las Vegas is known worldwide for tourism, conferences, a huge business destination, and McCarran is the place where you can have your message displayed first for everybody who arrives in Las Vegas.
This project has been a phenomenal endeavor. It has truly been a 2-year project through the planning stages, getting approval from the airport, and ultimately what it came down to is what a great return on investment it was going to be for the airport, because the advertisers are looking for digital, and we needed to bring digital into McCarran.
Digital signage is superior because you can do full videos, you can put audio with it, just a lot of things you can't do with static advertising. The pop of LED displays, you just can't get that kind of effect, and especially in a big environment with a lot of ambient light. So if you're going to spend money on your advertisement, you want people to notice it, you want people to see it, you want it to be eye-catching. So LED technology is really key for that.
We needed to find the best company and the best solution, and Nano brought all of that to the table for us.
Digital gives the most flexibility, the most vibrance, and the most dynamic options for their campaign in terms of changing creative and being able to react to what they need to present to their market.
It's much easier to change the content, and static displays can be problematic depending where they are and what it takes to change it. Here you can change it on the fly. If your people in the area have changed, you can actually change the content based on who is in the area.
So to experience the growth of this airport and experience what this town has become, and to really be able to play a part of it, means so much to me. I'm proud of walking into McCarran. I'm proud of what it means to this city.